Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox the kit that you guys picked for me to do next. If you follow the channel, hopefully you will have seen yesterday the video that was or not yesterday, but Tuesday, the video that was the completion of my previous Drills and Chills kits. So I've now done two Drills and Chills. I've done the Halloween Girl, and then Tuesday's video was the completion of my Halloween gnome from Dreamer Designs. I held a poll and asked you guys what you wanted to see me do next, and overwhelmingly the winner was Conversation. So this is another kit that I'm going to be doing for Drills and Chills, which is why I'm opening it now. Want to do it during October, hopefully get it done before the end of Halloween, all that good stuff. It is a round kit, so hopefully it will go pretty quickly. This is from Francesca's Studio Works, so I'm going to be opening it. This is my first kit from them. I actually ordered two from her, but this is the first one I'm going to be opening. So let me get everything out of the box and we'll see what we get. All right, so here's what came in it besides the canvas. We've got our drills, obviously, so we'll look at those in a little bit. We've got our stickers, which we will also look at in a little bit. We've got some instructions here. I don't need those. And we've got our toolkit. So let's open this up and see what comes in our toolkit. All right, so a little bit of an unusual toolkit. So we get a little divided tray here. It's got the little spouts at the sides so that you can dump your drills out. This looks like it's one of those that's meant to kind of clip together. So if you want to put multiple ones in there, you can. We've got branded tweezers, nice and sharp. We get some branded, this is her logo, some branded washi tape, some wax. And then in the toolkit that comes with the kit from the manufacturer, I'm guessing, we get another tray, a bag of baggies, a scrunchie for our pin. We get a pin with a standard tip and an angled tip if you like those. And then there's additionally a 4 and a 7 placer, multi-placer. So all of that comes in the toolkit. All right, so let's look at our stickers. We do get pre-cut stickers, which is pretty cool. We have 66 colors, it looks like here, and they've put all of their ABs at the beginning. There are 8 ABs. That seems really awesome. I probably still will go back and find some additional ABs and or fairy dust to add into this one, but we'll see. I don't know which ones I have and which ones I don't. I think I've got 819. I think I've got 815. We'll just have to see. But at least I do have pre-cut stickers, and these are quite a bit smaller, so these should fit on my Elizabeth Ward and my bottle case, whichever one I decide to use. And I do appreciate that they're pre-cut. So there's the stickers. 66 colors is a lot, but let me go grab the canvas so we can look at it. So this canvas is a little large. It is 51 by 72, but it is a round and it looks like there's quite a bit of multi-placing in the background. So hopefully that means it will go fairly quickly. So we've got a schematic on both sides and one is upside down. So if you're someone like me who rotates your canvas while you work, that's awesome. She's got her logo and name up at the top, all of the social media here. And then down at the bottom, we've got the little thumbnail, the name of the kit, the artist, the size, her little taglines. So again, this is a round. So 51 by 72 is 20 by 28 roughly. So let's measure this and see. So it said 51.2. If I measure it, I'm getting 51 and a half, but pretty close. And then if we measure the other way, it said 72 and a half, but I'm getting 73. So I guess that evens out. So just looking here at some of the symbols and everything, it's a nice thick cover sheet. Definitely like that. Nice and sticky for the poured glue. I'm just trying to look. See, all the ABs are listed at the top. So of course there's a white AB here in her hat, in the stars, in the ghost here. There is a light purple AB that is also in these stars here. There is a yellow AB that is in her hat and in her clothing, little accents there. There is a light pink AB that is in her hair as well as on her shoes. There is 3 different shades of green ABs. actually I think 4 different shades of green ABs. At least one in her hair here. Some down here. There's actually like a very pale bright green and then a darker green in the leaves down here at the bottom. And then also there's a very pale, probably like a pale, it looks green, but I'm assuming it's probably going to be like some kind of a very pale yellow for the pumpkin. So lots of ABs, like I said, already added in, but I'm wondering, there's some few ABs in the little balls here on their hats. Maybe I'll have another AB I can add into her hair, or another green one that I can stick into her dress here. Maybe some oranges or yellows that I can stick in the pumpkin, and maybe even some purples. I'll have to look and see if I have any purples ABs that I can stick in the background as well. But super cute little witch sitting here with her broom, the little ghost hanging onto her broom as she sits on a pumpkin, and they have a little conversation. Okay, so that's the canvas. And again, because it's too big to fit entirely on the screen, I will take some B-roll so that you guys can kind of see everything. The little ghost is cute. I like the background with all the little sparkles. I love her wavy little hair. Again, like I said, that there will be some nice multi-placing, the background and the pumpkin itself. And because it's around, hopefully it will go pretty quickly. All right, let me get out the drills so we can look at those. The canvas is scalloped and has the perforation to keep it from fraying, but I will say it's a little bit stiffer than, say, Diamond Art Club or Dreamer Designs or even Bella Art. It does have the soft lint on the back. It's just a little stiffer feeling, I think. Okay, drills. So we've got several different shades of yellow. We've got like a golden yellow, a butter yellow, and then 2 packages of kind of golden yellow. We've got a blue, a dark red, a very pale peach. We've got kind of a greenish brown, kind of a mustardy, dark mustard color, a milk chocolate brown, a very dark hunter green. We've got another very dark brown. We've got another dark red, like a mulberry color, kind of a burnt sienna color, another very dark brown, 2 packages of a dark butterscotch, a dark green, and then a green. Then we've got 2 kind of very dark pumpkin orange, 2 dark purple, a pale yellow, kind of a lime green, a pink, a peach, another kind of milk chocolate, kind of a minty pale blue, a periwinkle, a pink, kind of a dusky pink, another like mulberry, 2 packages of dark brown, a dusky rose pink, and then we've got a light green and a green. Then we've got another kind of mulberry, a light kind of spring green, a dark green, a brown, and then we've got 3 bags of purple and 3 bags of a dark purple. And then we've got a green and like an olive green, kind of a pale buttery yellow, a tan, a milk chocolate brown, a dark gray, kind of a very dark peachy brown, a sky blue, and another purple. We've got another purple, a dark hunter green. That's all the black that's in this kit, just that little bit. We've got 2 packages of this kind of dark butterscotch color, a dull pink, a lavender, kind of a lime green. Then we've got 3 bags of this very, very dark purple. We've got some dusky rose pink, and then the rest are the ABs. So we've got the white, the pale yellow, 2 different shades of green, a light green and a darker green, a pink, kind of a bright yellow, a lavender, and kind of a watery pale yellow. Lots of ABs, not very much black, and lots of purple because the background is pretty much purple. So definitely going to have to go through my ABs and see if I can find some purple ABs or pixie dust drills. I think I ordered some pixie dust drills in a purple. I think they might have just be on my to order list and I haven't actually done it yet. Anyway, so there you go. First impressions, looks good. I won't know until I actually get it kitted up and start working on it, but you will be seeing that soon as well. So be on the lookout for that. I'm excited about this one. I'm excited to see if I can get it done before the end of Drills and Chills. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.